Hello, is I audible?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. A very good morning to all of you present here. And today we all are here for Rashtriya Ekta Divas place taking ceremony. Respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear students, I welcome you all. And as we all know that today is National Unity Day, and we will have a place taking ceremony. But before starting that, I would like to say something about the Honorable Home Minister Shri Amit Shah had declared to celebrate 31st October, the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, as National Unity Day. And as we all know that from last 6 years, every year we celebrate today as National Unity Day, which is celebrated all over India. We must preserve the unity, integrity, and security of our nation. It is our duty and also spread the message of unification of our country, which is made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. As we all know that from last few months, the whole world is facing COVID-19 pandemic, and we too are fighting and taking precautions to overcome from this situation. In this pandemic situation, it is very essential to follow the three key messages being highlighted: wear masks, follow physical distancing, maintain hand hygiene. In India, the death rate of COVID 19 patients is much less, and the recovery rate is the highest as compared to other countries. This is only possible because of the proper steps taken by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. One of his slogans he shared with us: no carelessness till a medicine is found. And marks and maintaining distance of 2 yards is necessary. Now I request our TAKIP coordinator, Mr. Shaunak Bhattacharya sir, to please start the place taking ceremony.
Thank you so much, and a very good morning to all of you. Before starting the taking the pledge, I'd like to inform the students that whatever I'm sharing my screen, so that you can see the what is written in the pledge, and whenever I say a few words, then you should repeat those words only. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so.
Yes.
So is it visible?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm starting. Okay.
Okay.
I. You should turn your mic on. Everyone, every students, turn your mic on. Everyone, please turn your mic on, and please keep away from other noises, because otherwise it will hamper it. Okay, so I'm starting. Just repeat whatever I say. So I'm starting. I
I
I
solemnly pledge that
solemnly place that
solemnly pledge that
I dedicate myself
I dedicate
dedicate myself
Dedicate myself
to preserve the unity
to the unity,
integrity and
integrity,
security
and security
of the
security
nation
of the nation,
and
and also strive hard
and also
strive hard
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 to spread this message
to
spread
spread
this
this
message
message
among my fellow countrymen.
among my fellow countrymen.
I take this pledge
I take this
Take
pledge
this pledge
in the spirit of unification
in
in
the
the
spirit of
spirit of
unification
unification
in the spirit of unification
of my country
of
of
my
my
country,
country
which was made possible
which
which
was
was
which
made
made
possible
possible
made possible
by the vision and actions of
by the
by the
vision and action
vision and action of
by the
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Sardar
Vallabhbhai
Vallabhbhai Patel.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Vallabhbhai Patel.
I also solemnly resolve
I
Also
Also solemnly resolve
all
to make my own contribution
to make
make
my
my
own
own
contribution
contribution
own contribution
to ensure internal security
to ensure
to
internal
ensure
security
international
ensure internal security
of my country.
of my country.
of my country.
So we will repeat it again in Hindi. मैं सत्यनिष्ठा से शपथ लेता हूँ
सत्य निष्ठा से शपथ लेता हूँ
कि मैं राष्ट्र की एकता
मैं राष्ट्र की एकता,
राष्ट्र की एकता
अखंडता
अखंडता
और सुरक्षा को बनाए रखने के लिए
सुरक्षा को बनाए रखने के लिए
स्वयं को
स्वयं को
समर्पित
स्वयं को
करूंगा
समर्पित करूंगा
समर्पित
और
करूंगा
अपने देशवासियों के बीच
अपने देशवासियों के बीच
देशवासियों के
यह संदेश फैलाने का भी
यह संदेश फैलाने
फैलाने का भी
का भी
भरसक प्रयत्न करूंगा।
प्रयत्न करूंगा
प्रयत्न करूंगा
मैं यह शपथ अपने देश की
मैं यह
ये
शपथ
शपथ अपने देश की
एकता की
एकता की
भावना से ले रहा हूँ।
ले रहा
जिसे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की
भाई पटेल की
दूरदर्शिता एवं
दूरदर्शिता एवं
कार्यों द्वारा संभव बनाया जा सके।
कार्यों द्वारा बनाया जा सके द्वारा संभव
संभव बनाया जा सके
मैं अपने देश की
अपने देश की
आंतरिक सुरक्षा
आंतरिक सुरक्षा
सुनिश्चित करने के लिए
के लिए
अपना योगदान करने का भी
अपना योगदान करने का
योगदान करने का भी
सत्यनिष्ठा से संकल्प करता हूँ।
सत्यनिष्ठा से संकल्प करता हूँ
करता हूँ
Okay, so thanks to everyone.
इसे पे
और
बहुत ओवर प्राइस कर दिया है, मंगाना है तो उससे मंगा।
so they can mute themselves, and I would like to
किसी ना
over this
किसी को तो
session
होगा
to
ही
Ms.
ऑफर।
Jaya Mukherjee.
नहीं तो मिंत्रा पे भी अभी ऑफर चल रहा है।
Ms. Jaya Mukherjee, madam, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, so the pledge taking ceremony has been completed from my side, so the session is over to you. You can
Yes, sir.
conclude the session.
Okay, sir. Thank you to all of you for taking part, and we hope that what pledge we have taken today we will follow. So now I conclude this session, and once again thank you. Stay safe, all of you. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, and thank you all the students.
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
मेल्टन हो गया मैंने बताओ ना, मेल्टन हो गया बताओ ना,
Okay, sir.
मेल्टन हो गया।